All right, guys. Do not use Fasterpay for dropshipping from Nigeria. Okay. Uh, it's borderline. It's borderline. They accept Nigeria. They provide global payment processing system or feature, but they will frustrate you because they don't trust you as a Nigerian or African. It's almost separate protocol for us. Okay, and so when you come to their website, so if you go to Fasterpay, then click on the business aspect, you would see the features that they have. Okay, and they even have a debit card. So, like the company, it's if you're in the UK or in the US, you're going to enjoy them very much. But as a Nigerian, man, the headaches you're going to get because they try to verify you, right? Uh, Multiple times. They will verify you when you open an account. They will verify you when you receive money. They would even try and verify you when you try to deposit money into your own account in Nigeria. Okay, so they don't trust you. So those verifications sometimes could take time. I'm talking about weeks, which could frustrate you. And in the game of dropshipping, in the business of dropshipping, that can be detrimental to your business. So it's not the things that they do and the protocols they have will frustrate your business and would make your business less stable, your dropshipping business. So I do not recommend them. Don't use them because of that. Now, if you want to use them, test them. Maybe they have changed. This is 2024. Maybe they are different now. Test them. All right. So just you know, put money in that you can afford to lose, um, and make sure you have your documents ready. Proof of address, proof of identification, um, card. If you're using card to add money to Fasterpay, your card, be ready to take pictures of your card. It should have your name. All these things are what they are going to ask you for. Um, what what we haven't tried though, the only thing I've not tried with Fasterpay is registering a UK company and trying to use Fasterpay. I've not done that. They might actually be smooth. It might not really be much of a problem if you do that. I haven't done that, and I don't think most Nigerians have done that. So your experience might be different if you do that. Register a UK company, get a UK bank account, etc. Just like how you do for Stripe. If you do it for them, maybe it will be different. Um, okay, you don't need to. You can, use your Nigerian business or Nigerian registered company and use Fasterpay. But I'm just saying, maybe your experience will differ if you're operating with a UK legal entity. But you know, I don't know. I'm not sure if they've changed. If you have a good experience with them recently or of recent, comment below so others know. Okay, let's build this community here where we help each other. So comment below so others know. Um, if not, their reviews are very poor. Slow support. Don't use bad review. Money lost. Customer support useless. Very support. Bad support. Like we can go on. Nigeria, bad experience. Yeah, we can go on. Maybe they've changed recently, or maybe not. But if you're going to try them, just try them on a limited basis, right? Just test them out and see and have a feel before you really commit large business transactions with them. The last thing you want to go through is you having $1,000, 2,000, 5,000, $10,000 stuck on Fasterpay. That is going to damage your business. Okay. All right. All right, guys. So we are done with the video. We're just going to mention a few things. One, if you enjoy the content of the video and you received value, click on the like button, and it is one way for you to show your appreciation, um, and it costs nothing. If you are interested in global dropshipping from an African and Nigerian perspective, okay, subscribe to our channel. We are going to be pumping out content on this. Um, if you want to watch more videos, go to our homepage. Right, go to the homepage. You're going to see playlist, and whatever topic you're interested in, you can just watch the playlist of that. All right, Nigeria to the West, e-commerce and dropshipping, e-commerce in Nigeria, digital marketing, payment gateways, and all that. Okay. Um, Now, when it comes to us, we are Winston Pedigree, a firm specialized in helping Nigerians and Africans build their own global dropshipping business. Okay, from Nigeria, from the African countries, etc. Um, and we have range of services to support the dropshippers with. So in our setup services, we basically help you set up your dropshipping business. Then we have our course programs. Okay, entrance, crown, master's course. The entrance course is our beginner's course. Okay, the crown is our intermediate. The master's is our advanced course program. Um, the crown course also contains the entrance course, which is the beginner level global dropshipping course. The master's course contains both the crown course and the entrance course, and also the Trinity course. If you want to enroll, come to our website, add whatever course program you're going for into the cart, and go from there. You are going to receive your access link within an hour. Okay. Um, Now, when it comes to how you can also other places you can reach us in, Instagram and Facebook, guys, Winston Pedigree, right? You can find us using searching for Winston Pedigree. Follow us on Instagram. We do post results and proofs on our Instagram, as you can see. But also, we have our tips here that we do post. Okay, so when it comes to our courses, these are the content, the course content. It is very in depth, guys. Over 210 videos. So it is very, very pragmatic, but also intense. Okay, intense. It's filled with a lot of knowledge. We built close to four dropshipping businesses there, and we showed you everything you need to know regarding e-commerce and global dropshipping, suppliers, payment gateways, how to set them up, pretty much all that. Okay. Um, yeah, so that is going to be all, guys. See you in the next video.